Hello, friend! Today we are reading I Help Mommy. I help Mommy all day long. I help her do laundry. What's inside here? I put in the soap. I help her with the mail. Let's open up this mailbox. I get the letters. I help take care of the pets. What's underneath this table? I feed the cat. I help Mommy in the garden. Shall we take a peek? I plant flower seeds. I help Mommy find things. What's underneath this basket? I find the clothespins. I help Mommy bake. Let's open the fridge door. I bring her nuts and chocolate chips. I help Daddy too. Let's open the door. I open the door for him. And I'll help again tomorrow.